Hey, what's up, JVs and affiliates? It's John Armstrong here, coming to you live and direct from my office here in Bali. I wanted to talk to you about my next blockbuster launch, which is going to be going live on April the 11th at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's called Traffic Magnets, and for this one, I've actually teamed up with Anthony Hayes and also Stephanie Hayes. And if you don't know what Anthony Hayes is, you probably haven't been around too long, because Anthony has been around for at least a decade on JVZoo. He is an absolute expert in SEO, and he's the driving force behind Traffic Magnets. So what Traffic Magnets is it's a cloud-based platform that will use AI to generate calculators, widgets, estimators, generators, all of these little widgets and things that you see embedded into different websites online. Now, the secret behind these widgets is they actually pull in traffic from brand new users and also from recurring users who really enjoy using these tools. And if you do a bit of research on this, you're going to see that there's plenty of people making 5 to 6 figures a month online just from AdSense revenue generated from these little widgets that they've created. So Traffic Magnets will not only create these widgets for you, but it will also, with one click, create an SEO optimized one-page website where you can host some of these widgets in various different niches. So Tony is actually going to be training customers live on how to SEO optimize these one-page websites so that they rank in Google and they start pulling in a bunch of traffic. He's also on these live trainings going to be showing people the best types of widgets to create, exactly how to create these widgets as well. So even just one of these widgets alone can generate 200 to 500 visitors per month. And on the front end, you get to build 20 of them. Right? So that's 4,000 to 10,000 visits per month. It also comes with inbuilt monetization where you can use AdSense all the way up to Mediavine to generate a ton of money from this. You can start with AdSense, but once your sites get popular, then you can switch over to Mediavine and start making a ton of money from Mediavine. So the good thing about this is it's not like a lot of these regular things where you have to put a ton of effort in. No, because AI is doing most of the work. You don't have to go on camera. You don't have to make videos. Okay. You don't have to do anything that's really difficult. And that's why this is really good for newbies. So we're going to be going live with this on April the 11th. It's going to be kicking off at 11 a.m. That's when the cart actually opens. But before that, we're going to be doing a live webinar, or actually Tony's going to be doing the live webinar. So that's going to be kicking off at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, an hour before the cart opens, and he's going to walk your prospective customers through the entire process. So definitely be a part of this. We have a bunch of upsells as well to make sure that you will make a ton of money. We also have a $2,000 contest prize pool for the full launch week. If you need review access to this, if you need swipes, if you need any promotional material at all, get in touch with Paula, and her contact details will be further on down this page. Now, Tony has also put together an affiliate launch toolkit for those affiliates of you that want to get involved in this. And it includes 5 AI-powered tools that will take you from a blank page to a fully prepped launch with angles, FAQs, email sequences, countdown timers, JV calculators, the whole shebang, and it will write all of your emails custom for you. So they're not just generic swipes that you copy and paste. They're actually made specifically individually for you. So become a part of this, get access to those 5 amazing tools, and get ready for an amazing launch. We'll see you on April the 11th. Take care.
Hey guys, and welcome. I wanted to do a quick onboarding video for Traffic Magnets. So once you have logged into your Traffic Magnets members area, you will see a quick start guide here. And all you have to do is follow the steps. So first, create your first project. Pick a niche, and the AI finds 12 specific searches people are already making, each one a tool opportunity with almost no competition. So what you need to do is click on Create My First Project. You can either start from a template by picking a niche, or you can fill out your details yourself. I'm going to choose my niche, health and fitness. And if you scroll down, you will see that all the fields have been pre-filled, and you can choose the primary goal of your traffic magnet, whether it's to drive backlinks, generate leads, increase traffic, or improve engagement. I'm going to choose increase traffic, then click on Discover Traffic Magnets. And here you will see 12 different traffic magnet ideas, and you can scroll down and pick one. So for example, I'm going to choose BMI and body fat calculator, and then I'm going to click on Generate Blueprint. And it has generated some information about the traffic magnet. And if you scroll down, you can choose your theme style for the traffic magnet. I'm going to choose Ocean. And then you can export it as a standalone HTML page or an embeddable widget. I'm going to choose embeddable widget. And the embeddable widget is ready. All you have to do is copy the embedded code and embed it on your website. And let me show you what that looks like. And here is a sample of the traffic magnet, so a BMI calculator, so you can add your weight, your height, and click on Calculate Your BMI Now, and it will provide the output. And that's it, guys.